Yes, guys, you must wonder how my smile so bright. Yes, my people. So in this video, I want to talk about Mannix Robinson, guys. Yes, guys, Mannix Robinson TV. I want to go over there, guys, and subscribe to him, showing some love and support. Right, guys, so let's tell you what's going on in this video, guys. So, you know, I work on my house, guys, right? And when I must I wonder say why we not get no content off of the house. Right, guys? Well, Mr. Mannix Robinson TV reach out to me, guys, and me tell him the reason why the project stalled for a little bit. Right, guys? So the water they cut off, guys, right? For a portion of money. So see that, guys, someone said big respect to Mr. Mannix Robinson TV. Yeah, man, thank you, Mr. Mannix Robinson. And Father God will always bless you and your family. You know, you must wonder how my eyes are red, guys. You know what I mean? Because me just feel good. So you must know what that means. So we can go pay off the rest of money to get the water, so I know so work I go up and running now, guys. You understand? So I go start get back my house content because water that's slow thing, guys. Right, so yeah, man, Father God will always bless your family, Mr. Mannix Robinson, and your food basket will never empty.
A lot of us, we have some content creators that are following our channel that have it hard, guys, that are really struggling to make two ends meet. Not to say that we all don't have our struggles and our hardship. All of us have our own levels of hardship to deal with every day. Sometimes, guys, there's a cry in the background. There's a cry. There's a cry of help, a voice of need in the background, whispering. And it's only for us to pay keen attention to hear that voice, to hear that whisper. How many of us right now have somebody who we know need help and we are literally holding our hands from them because we say they're not family, they are not friends, they are friends with people who I don't like, so I'm not gonna help them. Long time, O'Shane and Naya, they try to build the little house what them a build, guys. You don't believe me? Go check out them channel, man. It's so rough sometimes. Guys, the guy literally have to be sieving mal to use to mix mortar to lay the cylinder blocks them on the house. But to see the hard-working nature of him and his wife trying their very best to have a home. Oh God, guys. The guy was literally sieving mal to mix mortar to lay blocks on his house. That's how rough it is sometimes for him, man. I hope that this video you may find it interesting and that it may bring you inspiration and all of that good stuff. And I'm gonna drop the channel link of O'Shane and Nai in this video description. Go over there, show them some support. Please, I'm begging you. But anyway, let's jump into it. I was watching some videos from O'Shane and Nai, whose channel I am a subscriber. Wonderful young couple. They have a young son who goes by the name Rico. Wonderful couple, guys. Very hard-working couple. The wife works, the husband works, and at the same time, they are building a house, guys. Yes, they are building a house at this present moment as we talk, but something happened that caused the project to be put on hold. That is something that we will be discussing in this video. Why them seabird just choose to come over there now? But anyway, the other day I was watching one of O'Shane and Naya's video, and it's one of their old videos. I think it's probably 1 either 1 or 2 or 3 years old. One of very old video within their video catalogs. And it was one in which Na O'Shane was sieving mall to use to mix mortar to lay some building blocks. And to some of us that may sound strange, because we use, sometimes I guess you have to utilize what you have at the moment. But to some of us it is not strange. And when I say some of us, I've been in that situation where I see my father digging down rocks, like marl looking rocks, and he sieve it and he use it to mix mortar to lay cylinder blocks. I saw that. This is why I am talking about O'Shane and Naya. Sometimes, guys, not having the money to buy the building materials that you need to build your house, sometimes you have to resort to some, if I can use the word, unconventional means to get the work done. And it happens a lot in society when a lot of us have dreams and goals that we want to fulfill, and we don't have the resources to really work on our dreams and goals. Sometimes we resort to some unconventional methods. Now, when I saw O'Shane sieving the mall, I know the mall was purchased to fill up the foundation of the house. I know that's what the mall was for. But I guess he probably run out of sand, and that's the reason why he was using the mall, because he said to himself that not having the sand to lay the block will not deter me from continue the house project. And right there, guys, right there is the formula for success. Willing to press on regardless what comes our way. And some people may look at the video and say, why is he using mall and this and that and ray. But I look at it in a different way. That video was the key that opened up the door to a memory room, like tucked away way in the back of my mind. I remember seeing my father do something similar. And I would question, why is he doing this? Why can't he go and buy some sand? Why is he doing this? But then I realized that the money wasn't there to buy the sand. And he wanted to accomplish the house so much that he had to use the stone dust. When I saw O'Shane sieving that mall, it says something. It makes me look at his character, guys. He's willing to try. A guy like this is willing to try to accomplish his goal or his dream. He doesn't just throw his hands up or fold his hand and say, "Cho." Guys, he is willing to try. Yes, he's willing to try. And his wife was there filming the video while he was sieving the mall, mixing the mortar, and using it to lay the cylinder blocks. Now, when you have a lady, a wife, or your girlfriend that believes in you and that is willing to work along with you, that says a lot about the relationship also. Big up yourself, Naya. You have been by the side of your husband through thick and thin, and that says a lot about your character also. That you are a good woman, that you are a strong woman, that you are a loyal woman that will stay true, matter not what come your way. And I know sometimes there are ups and downs, and you may question and say, "Ray, if you did," but you still stick with your husband. And O'Shane, I want to say this to you. you have a good wife. Stay true to your wife. Stay humble to your wife. Stay loyal to your wife. Because you got a good woman. Because when I was watching that video and I saw her standing there with you while you were sieving the mall to mix some mortar to work on the house. Bro, man, I'm telling you, you got a good woman. You're a good young man, O'Shane. And the other day again, I was watching a video that he uploaded. He was cooking Sunday dinner. I think he was cooking curry chicken, something like that. Curry chicken, the wife was cooking curry chicken and he was filming it and he was bigging up Jam Rock, he was bigging up Daddy Gargan, he was bigging up father and son, he was bigging up Mackie Lifestyle. I said to, while I was watching the video, I said, hold on, man. Hold on. What's going on right here? But I haven't seen this couple upload any videos recently about the house project. And I say, hold on, man. And then it start clicking my mind and I say, wow, it's been like either 7 to 10 videos that they have uploaded and none of them having anything showing that they're doing any work on the house. So I went in the comment section and I started to type away and say, bro, how is the house project coming on? And he said, well, you know, no water. And I said, okay, do you have a tank? And he said something like so forth, so forth. Then I say, I type another message and I say, what's the price for a tank? He didn't respond. So I got a WhatsApp call from somebody. And I said, bro, what's going on, man? This is the first I'm talking to O'Shane. Never talked to him in my life. Never met him before. Never have a conversation with him. Only within comments on YouTube. So I said, yo, bro, what's going on, man? How is the family? Rare, you know, chit-chat a little about the family, the wife and Rico. You can go over his channel, which I will drop the link in my description, and watch the video where he show us the catchment and the little bit of water that leave. It's like you were now seeing the dregs. You know, after you drink some beverage or some Kool-Aid or some juice, you mix it with the sugar from Jamaica. Yes, the Jamaican sugar. You know, back then when you mix out the Jamaican sugar and drink it, you see some whole heap of things what they call dregs in at the bottom of the cup. I saw it look in at the catchment. The water was at that stage, like they were rationing the water. And I think the wife said something like that. They were on the last stage of the water. You can watch the video, guys. And him say, Mr. Mannix, you know, say, yo, the water cut off and, you know, we have little bit of water to take care of ourselves, to cook, to feed the chicken then, and we can't use it to work on the house, Mannix. Which I understand. In which I truly understand that. You cannot put construction over the life and well-being and the health of the family and of the livestock. I understand. Been there, done that. I will say this, guys. A lot of us as content creators, we make content sometime and we try to emit or edit out certain portion of the videos that we don't want viewers to see. But some of us as viewers, we are able to see behind what is being portrayed to us. A lot of us are able to do that. We are not just caught up with it in the moment. As they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. A video is worth 1,000 words also. So a lot of us sometimes we upload videos and we think that we edit out the parts that we don't want viewers to see. But little do we know, sometimes the videos that we are uploading, sometimes it doesn't convey the message that we want the viewers them to see. It convey a different message. And the reason why I say this, I have been watching O'Shane and Noise channel of them building their house, and this is what draw me into them. This is what caused me to subscribe to them. So when I'm watching their videos and I am not seeing anything pertaining to the house construction, it's gonna stir up my curiosity. To see a young couple like that striving, working so hard to make something out of the little that they have, to be building a home in Jamaica, it will cause you to like say, what is going on? A lot of us are able to pick up on stuff, but a lot of us don't react. A lot of us don't react, guys. A lot of us don't react on the feeling, we don't react on the thought, we don't react upon the foresight, we don't react on the revelation, and sometimes we miss our opportunity to help somebody that is in need. Seriously, guys. Serious. And some of us, we may think that because we don't got money, we cannot help. Guys, sometimes you don't know. The little that you have, even just a word of encouragement, guys, can go very far. As I say, I don't know O'Shane and Noy. I don't know them. But to see how they are working hard to make something out of nothing, to build a house, and to see that something that they need to keep the progress going was missing. O'Shane and I just continue to be positive. Continue to be humble. Keep on doing the right thing, guys. I'm begging you. There are good people out there that are willing to help you, guys. And guys, they're building a house. If you are at the place to donate or buy a bag of cement, give him a length of steel, a yard of sand, a yard of stone, some nails, some binding wire, some quarter wire. Guys, go over there and check out him channel, man. If you can bless him with a $50, a $20, $10, $100, guys, help him to build his house, man. Help him. Help him along his journey. I'm not saying that because I help him, I'm going to say because I help you guys to help him. If you feel led to help that young family, guys, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. He has a number on his channel. Give him a call. Ask him how you can assist. I'm begging you. They're raising chicken. If you can buy them a bag of feeding for the chicken, guys, do it. If you can sacrifice a bag of feeding, hey, nothing is wrong with that. A lot of us, we have some content creators that are following our channel that have it hard, guys. That are really struggling to make two ends meet. Not to say that we all don't have our struggles and our hardship. All of us have our own levels of hardship to deal with every day. But some of us as content creators, some of us as family members, some of us as friends, some of us who we don't even know the individual. We just see the individual. There is a passerby, acquaintance. Sometimes, guys, try to see beyond what is being portrayed to you. Because sometimes, guys, there's a cry in the background. There's a cry. There's a cry of help. There's a need, a voice of need in the background, whispering. And it's only for us to pay keen attention to hear that voice, to hear that whisper. How many of us right now have somebody who we know need help, and we are literally holding our hands from them because we say they're not family, they are not friends, they are friends with people who I don't like. So I'm not gonna help them. I've never met them before. They're not my friends, they're not my family. So we hold back our hands of help from them. Somebody probably watch that video right now and say, unbelievable. I mean that you word pan, you know. Me know why you tell me nothing, you know, unbelievable. Hey. We all do it at times, guys. Somebody out there, we see them need help. And because of situations, sometimes we hold back our hands of rescue from them. I don't know Shane, I don't know Naya, I never met them before. But to see such a wonderful young couple in Jamaica trying their best, fighting against the odds to build a house, build something to call their own, it impressed upon my heart to do the little good that I can. And many of you right now, you're watching this video. Some of you probably are friends of O'Shane and Naya. You probably watch their channel. You probably are acquaintance. You probably live in their same community. Guys, if you can buy them a bag of cement, if you can buy a length of steel, if you can only buy a pound of nail, a pound of binding wire, a pound of quarter wire, a length of 2x4, a length of 1x3 lot, even a bag of fowl feeding to give to him grandmother or him mother. Guys, you don't know, man. It goes a far way, guys. It goes a far way. I'm not telling that you should. Everybody who you see on social media, they ray, if you run out and help them, because some of them are sophisticated deceivers and con artists. You got a whole heap of con artists and slicksters on social media right now. I know that. There's a lot of them out there. But when it comes on to O'Shane and Nye, when you follow their journey, guys, a long time them a try to get the house out of foundation, guys. And it not even built up yet. It not even deck. A long time them a try. Long time O'Shane and Naya, they try to build the little house what them a build, guys. You don't believe me? Go check out them channel, man. It's so rough sometimes. Guys, the guy literally have to be sieving mal to use to mix mortar to lay the cylinder blocks them on the house. You think I joke me I make? Check out his channel. I'm not telling no lie. He didn't pay me to say this. To see the hard-working nature of him and his wife trying their very best to have a home. Oh God, guys. The guy was literally sieving mal to mix mortar to lay blocks on his house. That's how rough he had. That's how rough it is sometimes for him, man. Guys, if any of you that are watching O'Shane and Naya channel, and you are at the place where you can buy him a bag of cement, buy him a bag of cement, man. If you can buy him a yard of sand, buy him a yard of sand. If you can buy him a yard of stone, buy him a yard of stone. If you can help him buy any little thing pertaining to his house, guys, and you can afford it, do it. Even if you can't afford it, if you can sacrifice even a little out of the little you got, I'm begging you, help a brother out. Him and no one of them lazy one there who just sit down and a leech off of people and like a parasite on the back of people and they beg and they gimme and now work. Then just sit down and they tell life on sickness and they tell life on this. Him go work and his wife go work. Them are hard working people. So if you can just help him out, guys. Boy, I'm going to tell you. The guy literally, they sieve mal what he purchased to full out him foundation. And some of you probably say, seriously? A mal him sieve for the mixed mortar for lay block? Yes. And some of you probably never watched that video yet on his channel. And you're probably going to watch it and you see it for yourself. Marley was sieving to mix mortar to lay the blocks on his house. A long time, if I'm not mistaken, it's a living room, a bathroom, a kitchen and a bedroom. Guys, him not even reach belting stage yet. Guys, show him some support. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Those of us that follow his channel, and we are at the place where we can either send him a $5 US, a $5 Canadian, a $5 pound, a 500 Jamaican dollar. Little is much when God is in it, guys. And you will be surprised. You will be surprised of the progress you will see going on for that family. Guys, if you watch the video what he uploaded recently, where the catchment level, where the water level in the catchment was before they got back water. Oh God, man. Oh God. Oh God. Guys, I'm gonna stop the video right here. As I said, I'm gonna drop this channel link in the description. He has a phone number on his channel. Reach out to him, guys. Reach out to him. Reach out to him, guys. I'm begging you. Reach out to him. If you can, if you feel as if you also want to buy him a bag of grocery, buy him a bag of grocery. You want to buy some food from the supermarket, send go give him, send go give him and his family. He not go refuse it. He not go refuse it. Thanks again for tuning into Unbelievable. Until I see you again on the next video, we can have a conversation or a dialogue in the comment section. Alright? Be safe on your journey. Much love and respect. God blessing. Godspeed. I'm out.